The human body is a marvel of nature, a complex and intricate system that performs countless functions to keep us alive and thriving. Yet, in our busy lives, we often neglect to give it the care and attention it truly deserves. On this channel, we will explore the wonders of our body, understand the importance of self-care, and delve into the transformative power of meditation and proper nutrition. Somatology comes from Greek roots meaning body and study. Hence, the field of study refers to not only the aesthetic aspects of beauty and wellness, but also total body therapies that promote holistic well-being. On our quest to achieve and maintain a steady state of health and wellness, several key topics come into play, each contributing to the holistic approach necessary for overall well-being. Skincare, anatomy, meditation, makeup artistry, aromatherapy, research, and nutrition. Created by an internationally qualified skincare and body therapist and therapeutic aromatherapist. Check out our wide variety of growing content. We love creating content that you want to see, so send your requests in the comments.